We are actually in the presence of two close friends of the Wish FM Fam Bam. Yes, the ventriloquist, of course, Wanlu, together with his buddy boy, Nicolo. All right. Yes, sir. Welcome back on board, Sir Wanlu. Kamusta?
Okay lang, DJ Adam. Thank you very much for having us back on the Wish Bus. It's such a pleasure. Nicola, say hello.
Hi, DJ Adam. Thank you very much for having me back here.
Yes, sir. It's our sincere pleasure to have you back. Nakakatuwa pati si Nicolo may Wish FM headphones.
Of course! How can I hear you without the headset?
Yes, sir. Maraming salamat. This is such an exciting episode. And yes, ano latest? Ano ba ang single na ating ipopromote today, sir?
Well, we are promoting actually a puppetry festival, DJ
Oh, wow.
Adam. It's
Okay.
the International Puppetry Fiesta Philippines, happening in the Philippines on March 20 to 22, 2025. So this is being brought to us by yours truly, Wanlu, and my family, and of course, Help Pilipinas. We are presenting puppeteers from Hong Kong,
Indonesia, India, Germany.
and Singapore.
Wow,
And
awesome.
of course the Philippines. Now the Philippines will be represented by pioneer puppeteers, namely Teatrong Bulat in Pilipinas, the Philippine Information Agency puppeteers, and Puppet Pilipinas all the way from Palawan. Siyempre magpe-perform din kami ni Nicolo at saka yung family ko. The Lunaria Marionette Show, my wife Debbie and my son Eli.
Oh, they're all ventriloquists too.
No, they're marionettes. They're
Oh, there you
performing
go.
with string-operated puppets.
I see. So it's not just what do you call yung ano po ba? Diversity ng puppets. It's not just like the kinds of Nicolo.
Right.
There are string puppets too.
Exactly, DJ
Okay.
Adam. That's the reason why we're having puppeteers from different countries to show the country, para pakita sa kababayan natin na ang puppetry ay powerful tool for education, lalong-lalo na sa mga bata, because alam nyo, yung imagination ng mga bata, and so mabigat eh. So puppetry will help them learn a lot of things, and that's why we have puppeteers from Hong Kong. Makikita natin dito yung Chinese, traditional Chinese hand puppets. Singapore will also perform with their traditional hand puppets. See, India will be performing with traditional marionettes. I'm sure you can guess na Indonesia will be performing with the wayang kulit, or the traditional shadow puppetry.
I see.
Very famous. And Germany will also be performing with, ano ang gagawin ng taga-Germany, Nicola?
Shadow Puppet din ko, Tito Anlu.
Shadow puppetry din.
I see. Ang dami palang layers ng puppetry in the world.
Yeah.
Diba? So circling back to my question, what do you call the type of puppet Nicolo is?
Oh, Nicola is a ventriloquist puppet.
There you go.
Yeah,
So okay.
it's a ventriloquist puppet. Basically, beside a ventriloquist like me, that's why we call it a ventriloquist puppet. Long time ago, they used to call this a dummy, but now it's not politically correct.
Oh, okay.
So
Yes.
now they call it a ventriloquist figure.
And okay, just for clarity, again, what do you call the puppets that your other family members will perform with?
They use marionettes.
Marionettes.
Marionettes are string-operated puppets. Medyo ibang ano na to, ibang
May atake sa...
ibang atake. Balance and everything. Like, unlike ventriloquism is more on skills, more on jokes,
And
more
banters.
on banters. That's
Yeah.
right. Meron ding puppet manipulation, mahalaga din sa isang ventriloquist yan.
Makita mo nga, kumukurap-kurap pa si Nicolo eh.
Ay, opo, kasi po, kailangan po eh.
Yan, and there's lip control in ventriloquism. Unlike in marionettes, you need to balance your puppet and basically make sure your puppets are facing the audience.
Exactly. So now, to provide context, kaya may lip control kasi basically yung nag-handle sa ventriloquist puppet, yung nagsasalita and behalf of the puppet. Now, it's such beautiful art and a science at the same time because that's a lip muscle, what do you call
Lip
that?
control.
Lip control mo para it appears like he's another living thing.
That's right.
Right. Awesome.
DJ Adam, it gives the illusion that the puppet is actually talking when he's talking, because the mouth of the ventriloquist is, ideally not moving a lot. That's it.
There you go. Maraming salamat. This is fascinating, really. And pati yung eyebrows, even his mouth. Si Nicolo.
International Puppetry Fiesta in Robinson's Antipolo on March 23 p.m. The opening ceremony will also feature the Gigantes of Angono,
Wow.
Because the Gigantes of Angono are part of our puppetry culture. We will also feature the marching band of Antipolo City. And on March 21 naman, we will be in Robinson's Galleria. And on March 22, we will be at the Enchanted Kingdom.
Grabe, 20, 21, and 22.
Yeah.
Sa March yan, it's an entire spectacle. 3-day event. All because of Sir Juan Luray here, bringing in world-class puppeteers from Southeast Asia. Maraming salamat. Now, I'm gonna have you perform with Nicolo here. Track entitled Sana. This is a cover on Wish 107.5. Let's go, bro.
For you.
Sana ang buhay ay walang dulo o hangganan. Sana'y wala na taong naghihirap o nahihirapan. Sana'y isang kulang, sana'y wala nang awan. Sana'y nagtitiwala ang isipin ang bawat isa sa mundo. Sana'y pag-ibig ang isipin, sana'y nagtatotoo. Sana'y laging nagtigaya, sana'y laging magmahalan. Sana ako'y tinatututo o namahaw. Sana hindi na ako nakatiyo o nakaraw. Sana'y walang pag-inip, sana'y walang paglamig. Sana'y pag-ibig na ang isipin ng bawat isa sa mundo. Sana'y pag-ibig na ang isipin, sana'y nagkatotoo. Sana'y laging magbigayan, sana'y laging maglahalan. Sana'y pag-ibig lang ang isipin ng bawat isa sa mundo. Sana'y pag-ibig lang ang isipin, sana'y nagkatotoo. Sana'y laging magbigayan, sana'y laging magmahalan. Sana'y pag-ibig lang ang isipin ng bawat isa sa mundo. Sana'y pag-ibig lang ang isipin, sana'y nagkatotoo.
Sabi nga, Tito Ernie.
Ang mas magandang sabihin, uubin sana.
Oo, din sana.
There you have it, wishers. That was Sir Juan Lu, a world-class ventriloquist, together with his puppet named Nicolo. Maraming salamat. And
Maraming salamat.
yes, once again, before I completely let you go, sir, invite everybody on this 3-day event, the 21st, the 20th, the 21st, and the 22nd of March. Go ahead.
Alright, wishers, we're inviting all of you, mga kababayan, to please join us for the International Puppetry Fiesta in celebration of World Puppetry Day. That will be March 20 in Robinson's Antipolo, March 21 in Robinson's Galleria, and March 22 in Enchanted Kingdom. Alright, ito po sa atin ng Help Pilipinas at ng inyong pong lingkod. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much and congratulations to Nicolo. Thank you for dropping by.